Hi there, welcome back to Truffle Kitchen. And today we're going to cook something that will cover all your cravings. Baked Oreo brownie donuts. I won't keep you waiting any longer. Let's start baking. And we're going to start with the dry ingredients. We will need 1.5 cups of all-purpose unbleached flour, which we're going to sift to make our donuts extra fluffy. 1/2 cup. That's 1 cup. And that's 1.5 cups. Okay, next we will need 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Not just any cocoa powder, it has to be black cocoa powder to make our donuts extra dark. Can you see how rich this color is? This will give our donuts the color resembling Oreo cookies. We have 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 2/3 of a cup of light brown sugar. You can use coconut sugar, you can use sugar substitute. Today I have this one. That's 1/3 and that's 2/3. Let's mix everything well before adding the wet ingredients. The next step is to add the oil. I have avocado oil today, but you can use coconut or any kind of vegetable oil. We are going to need 1/3 of a cup. Just a sprinkle of salt, some vanilla extract, around 1/2 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar. I have apple cider vinegar. And the last ingredient for our dough is 1 cup of water. This is my favorite recipe for vegan chocolate cake. It also makes great brownie. And this is a quick reminder to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have this donut-shaped baking sheet which I'm going to preheat with the oven. Next, we're going to transfer our butter into the piping bag. This amount of butter will create around 12 donuts. Roll up and tighten at the top. Our baking sheet is nice and hot. Now we need to grease it with some oil. And now we are ready to pipe our donuts. Cut the corner like this and let's pour the butter. Give it a little tap or a shake to even out the surface and get rid of any bubbles. And they're ready to go in the oven. Our donuts will need around 12 to 15 minutes. To glaze our donuts, we're going to use white chocolate wafers. I have vegan option as our donuts are going to be vegan. So this bag is 10 ounce. I'm going to use half of it. Yeah, and we're going to melt it in the microwave. 12 minutes have passed. I'm ready to check out the donuts. Yep, they're nice and ready. Our melting wafers have been in the microwave for a minute and I'm ready to check how they're doing. Perfect. So it took me exactly 60 seconds to get them to the perfect condition. The donuts have cooled slightly and I am ready to transfer them to a cooling rack. The next process is to dip and sprinkle the donuts. I have some crushed Oreo cookies and some mini ones for decoration. Our Oreo donuts are ready. You can make them even healthier by substituting sugar with sweetener and making them gluten-free. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I'll see you on my channel next time.